Hello everyone, I'm Rahul. AWS recently announced that you can use the AWS managed prefix list for Amazon CloudFront to limit the inbound HTTP, HTTPS traffic to your origins from only the IP addresses that belong to CloudFront's origin-facing servers. CloudFront keeps the managed prefix list up to date with the IP addresses of CloudFront's origin-facing servers, so you no longer have to manage a prefix list yourself. This feature will simplify your security group management. No more workarounds to update the security groups when CloudFront's IP is changed. You can use Firewall Manager to centrally configure your managed prefix list across all your AWS accounts. So how to do that is pretty simple. You can reference the managed prefix list for CloudFront in your Amazon's VPC security group rules, the subnet route table, the common security group rules with AWS Firewall Manager, and any other AWS resource that you can use a managed prefix list. For example, you can use the managed prefix list for CloudFront in the inbound rules of your VPC security group to allow only CloudFront IP addresses to access your EC2 instances. When using the managed prefix list with the common security group rules for AWS Firewall Manager, you can limit access to multiple application load balancers (ALBs) across all your AWS accounts. The managed prefix list is available for immediate use via the AWS console and the AWS SDK in all regions except China, Asia Pacific Jakarta, and Asia Pacific Osaka. The prefix list can be referenced in your CloudFormation templates in the available regions. There is no additional fee for using the CloudFront's managed prefix list, so you can use it without thinking twice.